What's up, guys? Really quickly, I just wanted to hop on here and create this video for you real short. I know that there's more people in here that own businesses and that's here promoting their business than people in here looking for your business. In all reality, that's what this group is. So hopefully this helps you as a business owner. So as a business owner, we know in 2019, 2020, it is dire. It is absolutely, it has to happen that you have to have a social presence. But creating that social presence isn't always easy. As you know, I mean, you're here. I mean, you're promoting your business on social media. More than likely, you either can't afford to hire a professional social media management company or whatever that may be. That's like a lot of businesses. You're not the only one, guys. But there is tools out there to make it very simple, make it a lot easier for you as a business owner, creating that social presence and keeping your social media, speaking of business-wise, I mean, up to par. Creating organic traffic, sending traffic and leads and potential customers into your business via social media. One of those tools that I want to tell you about and I want you to go check out for yourself is SocialPilot. SocialPilot is freaking unbelievable, guys. When we discovered it in our first business, it took us, I mean, it was unreal. We were able to completely wash our hands from the social media game completely. And then once we hired our VAs, they took over our SocialPilot accounts. We trained them. It was very simple. SocialPilot actually trained them, did all the onboarding and everything for us. But I want you guys to go check that out. I've placed a link down below for your convenience. Go check them out. See what you think. I think that it's going to help you as a business owner to focus on things more important. Not that social media is not important, it's very important, but that's not where you want to spend all your time. And thanks to SocialPilot, that's now possible. So go check them out, guys. You'll see what you think. Hopefully it'll be a help to you and allow you to grow your business in 2020 to greater heights and smashing goals that needs to be smashed. Thanks, guys. I hope that this helps you. Again, check out the link down below. Not to mention, guys, that there's a free content curation and influence discovery tool that anybody can use. It's 100% free. It is on their website. If I'm not mistaken, you don't even need an account or be signed in, anything like that, to use this tool. This tool just here alone does so much to speed this process up, to make it easier for you to spend less time trying to find content to share on your social media pages that actually relate to the subject or the niche, whatever that your pages may be. It's going to find that content, make it very simple for you to share it. You can even, you find something you like, whatever, you can set it up to schedule that post and share it on your account later on. Super